Today on Cooking with Aemon, we are going to make carrot cake. We are going to preheat our oven to 350. We will need 3 cups of shredded carrot. Today on Cooking with Aemon, for carrot cake, we are going to use shredded carrots, nuts, and eggs. We will mix together oil and eggs. We will add 2 cups of sugar. We will need 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And 1 teaspoon of salt. And 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. We will combine our dry ingredients. Whoa. Combine your dry ingredients and wet ingredients. We are going to add our shredded carrots and pecans into this bowl. And stir them up. Pour into a greased tube pan. Bake at 350 for 45 minutes. Mix together our butter and cream cheese. Wait. Add your vanilla and add your sugar slowly. We are going to frost our cake.